Data enables us to establish the actual status of financial inclusion, so that we can set goals, know who we need to reach, and check over time that we've reached the right people who we need to reach with financial inclusion. Any bank would have information about how many branches they have, but this information may not necessarily be accessible to the central bank or to a national regulator or policymaker. So quite a bit of what we do is actually not create new data, but just bring people together and create a space for them to share that data, make sense of it, and use it, to inform policy. Within data, in the broad sense of financial inclusion data, we found that we didn't understand certain segments. And one important segment that we didn't understand was financial inclusion for women. We brought together those who have succeeded in measuring financial inclusion for women and using that data to set targets and achieve those targets and reach women, reach many women, and include them into the system, and use that knowledge that resides within the AFI network and developed a simple toolkit that we want to share with the rest, so that we see this practice of using data to make policies for women. We want to see this practice grow within the network. One other thing that we are beginning to explore is big data. In this GPF, the members of the data working group agreed to develop high principles guidelines to regulate big data, to create a safe space for innovation, at the same time enhancing protection of customers during that process, so that big data can be used to develop technologies and financial products and services that will enable the poor to access credit or to access financial services at cost, whilst at the same time protecting them from misuse by the private sector. So I think that was a very big breakthrough for the network.